If you want to charge your Nothing Phone 3, then we have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use a wireless charger, although they are slower than, for example, typical chargers, power adapters, and so on and so forth, because they provide less power. But still, it is possible. So if you find it more convenient to use a wireless charger, then you can use a wireless charger in order to charge your phone. You can just simply place your phone on top of the wireless charger, and then you should be able to connect and charge the device, your phone. Now, besides that, you can use anything that provides power, even if it's wireless. And of course, the other method that is quite standard is by using the USB cable. Over here, I have my kind of broken USB cable at this point, but essentially anything that provides power through USB cable can be used to charge our phone. So for example, if you don't have a power adapter yet, then you can use your computer, for example, maybe even your car if you have a charger in your car, and that works as well. However, most likely you want to get a power adapter in order to charge your phone. So you just have to connect the USB cable to the charger. And then of course we connect it to our phone. And then of course we connect the charger to the power. And this is how we can charge our phone. Quite simple. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.